You guys, it's your girl, and today I'm going to be opening up my new coffee maker. I got this because I asked a certain person if I could have a coffee maker in her office because I'm the only one that drinks decaf. Nobody else drinks decaf but me because I'm on these diet pills and I really can't drink anything other than decaf. So let's go ahead and open this coffee mug. By the way, I got this from Amazon, the Brew and Go coffee maker, Black+Decker. It's like a travel mug, a travel thing, so you can basically put it anywhere you want to. So you can basically just, it could be at home, you can take it from home to work, from work to anywhere you want to go. So let's go ahead and open this. Okay, so finally got it to open. Ooh, I'm so excited because I'm actually about to make me a cup now. So, in the box, you guys, of course, you can see nothing really else but some styrofoam. It comes with instructions just in case if you need to know anything. Use in care manual. Then it has it in Spanish. So let's go ahead and plastic this thing out. Oh, this looks so sweet. There go the mug. That's the mug, you guys, and it has a handle to it. So like say if I have to go to my other job today, of course I'm taking this with me because like I said, my coworkers, they all drink regular coffee. I drink decaf, so took that going there. Or my trash inside. That is so beautiful. Look at that. Oh my god. I've read people's reviews too before I just ordered this. It comes with a cord on the side. It comes with permanent coffee filters. It looks like you got all plastic everything. There's boards inside to keep it together. Take these boards out. That's how beautiful it looks, you guys. That's beautiful. Okay. So that's the front. That is the back. It's only one cup, so you really can't, like, oh, how much am I getting? It's only one cup. So that's what that looked like. And let's go ahead and unwrap this. Ooh, I'm about to drop my camera. Okay, there's the mug. It's so beautiful. Ta-da! So that's the stainless steel mug. It's pretty cool. It says on it, Black+Decker. So that's cool. Here go the top to it. And then for the filters that are permanent, it's the filter. And it goes inside of this, which is pretty cool. So you guys, if you ever have like a little office or anything, and you're like a coffee drinker like me, and you only drink decaf, I advise you guys to get this. It is very beautiful. It's very pretty. It's very promising. I like it already. I haven't even did the coffee yet. I will give you guys some reviews on how the coffee maker works. But yeah, this is it. It goes on Amazon. This is the coffee I'll be drinking today. Community all day, every day. Community with chicory, decaffeinated. I don't drink anything other than chicory. I love chicory. I'll drink cafe special too, but chicory is just my main fave. And I'll be drinking because, you know, my health coach told me I had to drink half and half creamer, so I'll be drinking half and half creamer today with that. So there's the whole set plus the coffee and the coffee maker, the creamer. So you guys, if you want something, like I said, that's going to help you in your office, and you need something in your office because you're like, oh freak, you know, what am I going to do? I really want coffee, but everybody else is drinking such as, no. Here you go right here. Black+Decker, brew and go. So you can carry this anywhere you go. Make sure you always clean it out. You keep up with it. You do what you have to do. Don't let it get molded. Don't let it stay in a certain way. Keep up with your stuff. Because if you don't, what's the point? What was the point of buying this thing? You know what I mean? I think this is like $12, $13, maybe $14, $15. I don't know. But it's on Amazon. I'll put the link below. So there you go, you guys. My coffee maker. I'm about to enjoy my coffee. My nice deep. You guys are brewing. You guys, a perfectly good cup of coffee. Look at that. It brewed it so well. And as soon as it was done, it turned itself off. So that's why the red light ain't on. But that's beautiful. So, like I said, you guys, get you one of these. It's really nice. Get you one. It's worth it.
超超超超咖喱